Want to sound smarter in English? Let's upgrade your words. Instead of help, say assist. Instead of try, say attempt. Instead of end, say conclude. Instead of need, say require. Instead of fix, say repair. Instead of get, say receive. Instead of tell, say inform. Instead of start, say commence. Instead of look for, say seek. Instead of give up, say surrender. Instead of I'm tired, say I'm exhausted. Instead of it's hard, say it's challenging. Try these new words today and impress everyone. Follow for more English tips.